Hey everybody, this is another song that I just wrote. I don't know whether this is going to be the bass line or the guitar. Right now I'm playing it on my son's guitar ukulele. Um, so this is like drop, no, not drop D. It's drop G on the guitar ukulele, actually, and it starts with the empty. What's it? Second string on the guitar ukulele, C or something. So it's 0, 3, 5, 3, 5 on the down tuned uh, G string. G string is good, isn't it? 3, 5, 3. It's always 3, 5, 3. 3 on the lower string, 2 on the lower string.